The main goal of this project is to help with the erosion along critical infrastructure. The main road is the lifeline for everybody down here.
Whenever the waves come up, they chew away at the shoreline, eat up part of the road, then the road has to be rebuilt.
The Living Shoreline project is a combination of oyster reefs and salt marsh to help push the brakes on those waves coming in. By the time that wave hits the shoreline, it's more of a ripple. Typically with living shorelines, you'll find that the reef structures are very linear. We wanted something that was a bit more organic looking, something that fit into the ecosystem that currently was here.
What WSP brought to the table is the quick deployment before and after major storm events to gather data for pre and post storm analysis.
The engineering team that came in and helped us get the modeling of the reefs done to show that they can withstand up to Category 3 hurricanes.
The end goal is to create a nearshore reef and marsh system that's self-sustaining.
There's a lot of different hands in WSP that have a role in this project. It's not just us, it's probably about 100 people that have helped on this project.
We wanted to see the local community building the reefs, building the marsh, and helping to restore their bay.
Trying to figure out a way to protect ourselves. Worked on the water all my life and they needed somebody to run the barge, and here I am. It makes me feel proud. It gives some hope that maybe things will turn around and for the better.
I really do it for the people that are here. There's so many fantastic people that live in town that have helped me out.
We were just here to help provide the resources in a way that best meets their needs.